everyone, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is technically my first long YouTube video. Like I have uploaded shorts earlier, you can definitely check them out. But this is my first long video. Welcome. So guys, I have a huge and beautiful jewelry collection. So I thought of why not show it to you. So I have different jewelries, like I have so many jhumkas, so many earrings, rings, necklaces. So in this video, I'm going to show you my whole jewelry collection one by one, and I'm also going to tell you like from where did I buy it and how much jhumkas in the color silver. Basically, them from a local store, from a local market, and these are so beautiful. I just got them for like 100. Now the next one are also some oxidized jewelry, and I'm so obsessed with oxidized jewelry. Like I have so many of them. So these are one of them. These have a beautiful detailing, especially like this is some sort of mahal, like almost that the detailing is so nice of it, and I just really love this big flower which is there. These are so pretty and they can literally again some oxidized jewelry. First of all, these are some Chand Bania, which is also my favorite. So this is it. And the second are these round earrings. Like I just love them. Like they have a peacock detailing in it. I ordered both of them online from Flipkart. So these are really pretty and I just love all. Next is this beautiful pair of a necklace and two loop earrings. So this is gifted to me by my mommy. She bought it from Vrindavan, and there are so many pieces available there. These are so beautiful and they have a whole set of jewelry. They look so nice and so pretty. I just they go. Next is this really pretty long necklace which you can wear with shorts and all of that, and they are really in the trend, so I really like them. They can also. Coming to these earrings, these are gifted to me by one of my friend on my birthday. So these are so pretty, they are so shiny, and these can be worn in any party. Or we have these multicolor earrings, and the best part, they have so many colors in them, so they can be worn on any outfit. They'll match with everything, and especially like a really colorful and rainbow outfit can be. Coming to these beautiful jhumkas, which can be worn on an Indian outfit or a traditional outfit. These are so pretty, they are so much. I also have these small but really pretty simple earrings, and the best part, they also give a South Indian look when you wear it. These are so small. Then I have these 9 pair of small loop earrings and also some studs. So these are really nice. I just recently bought them and I ordered them online. So they have like different earrings, some pearl earrings, then also these pearl earrings as well, these gold emerald earrings, now coming to my bracelets. So first of all, I have this super cute and super shiny bracelet, and this can be worn on any party or some sort of western dress. After that, I have this beautiful big kada which can be worn on any Indian outfit or traditional outfit. It is so shiny, it has a golden color and some details in it, which another this really pretty black and golden bracelet which can be worn of course again to a western dress. And this, now I also have this really pretty necklace, and if you have watched my videos, you must have seen me wearing this for so many times. It is really simple, yet it is so elegant and it looks so beautiful. So now I have a full set of this necklace, and this is, I bought this online from Flipkart, and this gives a really rich and a really elegant look, and it can definitely go with every so it is an emerald necklace, and today in these days these are really trending, like green jewelries and all these emerald jewelries are so trending. I have also something to this. This is a really beautiful oxidized ring which gives a really royal look, and they can be definitely worn. Last but not the least, these are my favorite silver oxidized jewelry. These are in a sort of blackish color, and they really go with every outfit. I am just so obsessed with these oxidized jewelries. So here are these. These are really pretty. I just love them. So this was my whole jewelry collection. Thanks a ton for watching this video till the end. And make sure to subscribe guys, it means a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and do you have some similar jewelries like mine.